Hello, Dan here from the Badjr. In this video, I will go over the partner settings in Unity. Let's get started. Once your partner is created, in the left-hand column, go to where it says Partner and your company name and click Settings and then Profile. On this page, you will find your basic partner settings. Partner details include your company name, the base name that will be used in your host name to your client's sites, your company phone number, your email address, and the owner name, which is by default the person who created the partner account. If you go to Edit Partner, you can change your logos here. Under the Partner Settings section, you have the support email address. This is where notifications from Unity are sent. And here you have the Badjr support password hint, which is for the support user to log into the Badjr through its web interface. SMS sending can be enabled or disabled here as well if we go to Edit Settings. We can change the support email address, SMS sending limit, and the support password. It is not recommended to change the admin password. Here on the right-hand side, we have your company office and contact numbers, and then the suppliers are listed below. These are the same suppliers as listed under the client section. That covers the partner settings. Thanks very much. See you in the next one.